Hello everyone and welcome to the basic navigation tutorial on My Company Tools. Here we are at the login page of our My Company Tools instance. So let's go ahead and log in. Once we successfully logged in, we will be directed to the home page or the dashboard page. On this page, we will house different widgets from our tools to show us quick synopsises and summaries of how our business is doing. Since this is a beta release, we do not have this page finished, so this page will be changing over time. Currently, we have the founder's note from our founder and CEO, Tony Mucci. He explains a little bit of how My Company Tools came about and the vision for the future. We highly recommend reading this as it will give you an understanding of where we are now and where we are going. First, let's take a look at how to change our personal information. In the upper right-hand corner, if you click on the icon with the person, you'll see a pop-up of your name and then a link to a section called My Profile. In the My Profile area, we have given you the ability to change any personal information you wish. You'll notice here at the company name, you are unable to change that particular information. This is due to being connected to your subdomain on mycotools.com for your My Company Tools instance. You can also put in a credit card, so when your payment comes up for the Pro account, it can be charged with the card on file. If you're using a starter plan and would like to upgrade or downgrade your plan, you can do that here with this drop down. You can also change your password in this box here. And once you're finished, you can simply click Save to save your new information. To get back to the dashboard or the home page, simply click on the logo in the upper left-hand corner. To see a list of your tools, click on the Rubik's Cube to the left. As you can see, this instance does not have any tools. So let's go ahead and install a tool. We can do this by heading to the shop. This is all the tools that we have here at MyCoTools at the present time. As new tools are released, they will show up here. Let's go ahead and install the News tool. As we click, we get more information about the tool. For example, a short synopsis of what the tool is, how many installs it's had globally, what version it's on, and what type of tool it is. For example, this is a starter tool, which means it is available in the free account and also paid. We have some screenshots here on the left and also different tools that are related to the News tool. To install this tool, simply click on Install. As you'll see, you'll get a success message saying News installed. And our buttons have now changed to an uninstall button if we wish to remove the tool. Or if we want to go to the tool, we can click on Go to News. So now here we are in our News tool. And you'll see this drop down here changes to let you know where you're at in the site. And if you click on it, you will see the menu options for that tool. So let's go ahead and install another tool to show you the difference. This time, we'll install the Invoice tool, which is the tool that gives you the ability to create invoices for your customers. As you can see, this type of tool is a Pro tool, which comes with the Pro account. Now that we've installed the Invoice tool, we can get to it again by this green button over here with the Go to Invoice, or we can go back to our Rubik's Cube icon and you can see the News or Invoice. Once clicking on that link, it takes us now to our Invoice tool. As you can see, the menu now changed to Invoice, and when you click on it, you get the list for invoices. If you're in the news, it now changes back to news. And you click on it, and there is your menu for the news. To get back to the dashboard, simply click on the logo in the upper left-hand corner. And you're back to the front page. When finished with Mucci&Co tools, we always recommend people logging out. And you can do that by simply clicking on your person icon in the upper right-hand corner and clicking on Sign Out. This will sign you out of your session with My Company Tools. We hope you found this information valuable, and make sure to check out the other tutorials on how to use the tools in a more in-depth example.